They lied and accused I of things I knew nothing about. They rewarded I evil for the good I had shown to them, to the point of the destruction of my life and my health. But as for I, when they were sick, I clearly was mourning. My soul was humbled with fasting, and my prayer returned into my own heart's cares. I myself behaved as though they had been my friend or sister or brother. When they were in distress, I bowed down heavily, like someone who is mourning for their mother or father. But in my adversity, they rejoiced and gathered themselves together. Yes, I. Stand up for I, O Jah, with them who cause trouble with I. Fight against them who fight against I. Jah, pick up a shield and armor and stand up for I. Jah, help. Lift up the spear also and stop them. Block them who persecute I. Ease my soul and speak to my heart and say, I am the eye protection. Let them be dumbfounded and put to shame who try to take my life or steal my spirit. Let them turn back and retreat. Let them who devise my harm be brought to confusion. Let them be as the chaff before the wind that blows away, and let the angel of Jah chase them far away. Let the path before them be dark and slippery, and let the angel of Jah persecute them. For without cause they have set a trap for I in a pit, which without justification they have dug for my life. Let destruction come upon them when they least expect it, and let their net that they have hidden for I catch themselves. Into that very destruction which they devised for I, let them fall instead. And my soul shall be joyful in Jah. My soul shall rejoice in Jah protection. From the depths of my heart I will say, Jah, who is like unto the eye, who delivers the poor from them that are too strong for them. Yes, I, the poor and the needy from them that ruin them. False witnesses sprang up. They lied and accused I of things I knew nothing about. They rewarded I evil for the good I had shown to them, to the point of the destruction of my life and my health. But as for I, when they were sick, I clearly was mourning. My soul was humbled with fasting, and my prayer returned into my own heart's cares. I myself behaved as though they had been my friend or sister or brother. When they were in distress, I bowed down heavily, like someone who is mourning for their mother or father. But in my adversity, they rejoiced and gathered themselves together. Yes, I, the pathetic fools, gathered themselves together against I, and I did not know. They tormented I and did not stop. With hypocritical mockers and feasts, they gnashed upon I with their teeth. Jah, how long will the I watch and wait? Rescue my life from the destruction they have inflicted upon I, and save my beloved from the beasts. I will give Jah thanks in all the world. I will praise Jah to as many people as I can. Do not let them that are my enemies wrongfully rejoice over I, neither let them who hate I without a just cause mistreat I in any way. For they do not speak peace. Instead, they devise deception against them who are quiet in the land. Yes, they opened their mouth wide against I and said, Aha, aha, we have seen what she did. Yes, the truth Jah has seen. Jah, do not keep silent. Jah, do not be far from I. Arise and awake to my justice, even to my cause, Jah, Iyani, source of life. Discern for I, Jah, my God, according to Jah righteousness, and do not let them rejoice over I. Do not let them say in their hearts, yes, just what we want. Do not let them say, we have chewed her up and spit her out. Let them be ashamed and brought to confusion together who rejoice at my suffering. Let them be clothed with shame and dishonor who boast themselves against I. However, let them who favor my righteousness shout for joy and be glad. Yes, let them say continually, thanks be to Jah. Let Jah be magnified. Jah who has pleasure in the prosperity of Jah devotee. And my lips shall speak of Jah righteousness and of Jah love all the day long.